Understanding Wage Slavery, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase that often pops up in discussions about work and economics, wage slavery. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in conversation. So let's get started. Wage slavery is a term that refers to a situation where a person's livelihood depends on wages, especially when the dependency is total and immediate. It is often used to express a critical view of the employment system. In this system, workers are seen as slaves, in the sense that they have no other viable means to live and are thus bound to their jobs, which may offer minimal pay and poor working conditions. The term has roots in the 19th century when it was used by labor activists to draw parallels between their condition and that of actual slaves. It is important to understand that wage slavery is used metaphorically. It reflects the lack of choice that workers might feel, rather than literal slavery, which is a grave human rights violation. In modern times, wage slavery is still used by people who believe that the economic system forces workers into unfulfilling or exploitative jobs to survive. It's a powerful phrase for discussing socioeconomic issues, workers' rights, and economic equality. Let's look at how to use wage slavery in a sentence. Many argue that the gig economy has led to a new form of wage slavery. She writes about the struggles of escaping wage slavery and finding financial independence. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation has shed light on what wage slavery means and why it's a significant term in discussions about work and freedom. Remember, language is not just about words but the history and context they carry. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.